The hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5 is one of the Ordinary's most popular hydrating products. In this video, we share how to properly use hyaluronic acid and how to use it in your skincare routine with other active ingredients. Firstly, hyaluronic acid is naturally produced within your own body and helps with hydration. It can hold up to 1,000 times its own weight in water. When applied in a serum form to your skin, it will pull all the moisture from the air and absorb it into your skin. It is a great ingredient to help with skin dehydration. The Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5 is a water-based leave-on serum, so you do not need to wash this serum off. Even though the formula is a bit thicker than some other serums, it absorbs into the skin well. It is supported by vitamin B5, panthenol, which is great for surface hydration. It can be used daily and is suitable for all skin types and conditions. Most people's skin is actually dehydrated, and because of this can aggravate skin conditions. So using hyaluronic acid in your skincare routine is definitely something to consider. The Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5 has different size molecules of small, medium and large. And because of this, the small molecular size hyaluronic acid is able to penetrate the deeper layers of the skin. How to use. Begin with cleansing, toning or essence, and then apply 2 to 3 drops of the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5 to your hands and apply to damp skin. Applying to damp skin is important as hyaluronic acid is a humectant and is a moisture magnet, which means it draws water to itself and prevents transepidermal water loss. If it's applied to dry skin, your hyaluronic acid will draw moisture from its nearest source, your skin, and leaving your skin more dehydrated than ever. Your skin doesn't need to be soaking wet, but it does always need to be applied to damp skin for best results. You must finish with a moisturizer after, locking in the serum to keep the moisture from evaporating. How to avoid stickiness and pilling. If you experience a sticky texture or it's causing pilling with your moisturizer, you have applied too much product. Can you dilute hyaluronic acid? Yes. The Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid can be added to your moisturizer instead of applying the serum directly to the skin. When you feel your skin is used to it, you can use it directly on the skin if you wish. How to layer in your skincare routine with other active ingredients. The Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5 is a water-based serum, so apply to damp skin prior to any water-free or oil serums and moisturizer. If you are using 2 water-based serums like niacinamide, then choose which serum you would like to penetrate deeper, and that will be the one you apply first. If you choose to apply niacinamide first, make sure to apply hyaluronic acid straight after while your skin is still damp. If you are using retinol, retinoids, or exfoliating acids in your routine, I would use your hyaluronic acid serum at a different time to get the best benefits from each ingredient. If you want to learn what mistakes to avoid when using hyaluronic acid in your skincare routine, then make sure to watch this video next.